Here's how you take an old pair of jeans that you no longer reach for and turn them into a cute denim maxi skirt without sewing. For this project, you'll need a tube of speedsew fabric glue, fabric scissors, a seam ripper, pins, an iron, and your pair of jeans. So we will begin by cutting along the inside seam of the jean legs on both sides. So start by turning your jeans inside out and cut up until the crotch area on both sides. Then grab your seam ripper to cut the threads around the crotch area to separate the front and the back sections of the jeans. On the front part of your jeans, use fabric scissors to cut up to the fly piece. Once that is all done, overlay the two front pant legs and pin them down in place as far as you like. Now turn your jeans inside out with the back facing out and cut along the seam to the belt line. I'm aligning the back leg so I can have a slit in the back, but this is completely optional. Once you have aligned the back legs how you'd like, you can pin down the fabric. Now flip your jeans right side out with the front facing out and grab a piece of cardboard if you have some and slide it in between the two sides. This ensures no glue can seep through to the other side. Now grab your speedsew fabric glue, a Q-tip for a precise application, and a dish or container lid to squeeze the speedsew onto. Start from the bottom and unpin 2 to 3 pins at a time and apply a generous amount of glue along the seam. Once that is all done, apply even pressure to where you glued and gently re-pin to ensure the material stays in place. If there are any loose threads, just simply cut them off. When you apply glue, it will prevent more from happening, and make sure that the fabric is flat with no bumps when you fold the top fabric back over. Now repeat the same steps on the back side and cut off any excess material. Now fold the rough edges of your slit in and iron them down on both sides. This will make the gluing process much easier. Once that is done, grab your piece of cardboard again and place it underneath the slit and glue the rough edges down. And after letting it dry for about an hour or two, you can remove all the pins, and just like that, you created your own denim maxi skirt.